Welcome back to Filthy Log Homes. I'm doing the worst part of building a log cabin is sanding everything down here. You can see I kind of already started, what it looks like, what I gotta do. It turns out really nice, it's just, it takes days, it's a long time. So what I'm using is a 60 grit. It's kind of the happy medium. Normally we'd do like a 35 grit. If I was building this for another person, I'd do a 35 grit and then come back over with a 100 grit and really clean it up. 60 grit is that happy medium where I'm just doing a one and done. You know, it's abrasive enough, it takes it off, and it also kind of smooths it out in the same. So I'm just doing the one and done 60 grit, and that's just it. It's a process. It takes a long time, it's a messy job, but it's gotta be done.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
As you can see, it takes a long time, but it's worth it. I got some touch-up stuff here. It's a slow process. Definitely ain't gonna do it in a day or two, especially by yourself like I'm doing. But I still got quite a bit. Got this big gable end all done. Where the windows are going to be cut out. Then this back wall here is going to have a framed in kitchen area, so I only got to do just like the top 3 logs there, so that'll look pretty quick. Yeah, that's my cabin. This is my next step. All right, well that's the gist of sanding. It's nothing too exciting, it sucks. It's a lot of work. Yeah, I got about 2 more days left of sanding, and then I got spray foam insulation coming in next week, so I'll have some video on that and the price, and so you guys can have an idea if you're planning on spray foaming or not your house or cabin down the road. I'll have more build videos coming throughout the winter. I got a cool little cabin we finished up. I'll take a video up for you guys in the next month or so. So yeah, we're gonna keep plugging away. We're finally getting some insulation in now. We'll get some heat so we can work in the winter. We'll keep plugging away. So follow along and keep watching the building process.